Hey everyone, this is Ronnie Chmura coming to you here with my next video. And upon request from some of our friends inside the Internet Lifestyle Network, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial just on how you actually synchronize a video like this directly as soon as you stop it through Dropbox onto your computer, or actually to your Dropbox and therefore also to your computer. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Let's see if we can get this to work. This is my mobile phone, which is an ASUS Padfone 2, and I'll try and see if I can get that in angle here. So if I'm on my home page or the front page of my phone,
you have a text message.
Here we have like my various icons, and one of the icons that I of course have is my Dropbox, and my Dropbox I have right here. So when I open my Dropbox, I have all my folders available on my mobile phone as I have on my computer. But to show you this tutorial here is basically just to talk about how when you capture a photo in your camera, you have all your camera, all your photos and videos, they end up in some sort of library on your device. And as you have installed Dropbox, and if you want to have Dropbox synchronized with this folder, you can see the folders here up on the top here is actually all my camera photos. You can see here some of the videos that I shot. And if I just go back here and I go to the settings tab and I go to the settings, I can synchronize this library on my phone with any kind of account that I have synchronized on my phone. Here's my Google Plus account. Here I have a couple of email accounts, and here I have something that this phone comes with, the ASUS Web Storage. I don't use that. It has Facebook, and it has, when you have installed Dropbox on your phone, you have it right here. And the only way to install Dropbox is like getting any other app. I can quickly show you that. At the Android market, you of course go to Google Play and you go and search for Dropbox, and as soon as you have Dropbox icon here, you can recognize it with this little blue icon with the box, and you just go and say install, and as soon as it's installed, just follow the instructions and it's on your phone immediately. But going back here to the camera settings, I would go here and make sure that I have not, I would recommend that you don't synchronize with Google Plus, because as soon as you shoot your video and your camera photos, they'll actually load them up to Google Plus if you synchronize with Google. That's something that I would recommend not to do. Otherwise, you spread all the photos, that even the ones that you don't want to have there, you're going to spread onto to Google Plus and on the internet. The same with your two email accounts. I'll have them off for synchronization. These two here, ASUS Web Stories and also the Facebook, I'll have that off as well, because you don't want to have all your photos online, and you want to secure that. So whatever device you have, Android or iPhone, make sure that when you set these things up on your mobile device, make sure that you have that in a situation so that you're pleased and happy with what you actually do, and you don't share stuff by accident. But I have my Dropbox here synchronizing. That means that as soon as I actually hit my camera and I actually shoot a photo, as soon as I either photo or video, as soon as I shoot that, it actually lands in this folder anyway, and in this folder it actually pops up here, and it will synchronize immediately with my Dropbox. And that gives me a lot of sorry for not having the camera straight. It's pretty difficult to have that on here. Sorry for the shaky, but it actually gives me the ability in the settings here. I need to go back a bit here. Go to the settings and make sure you have synchronized Dropbox together with your folder, your photo and video folder on your mobile device. That's about the only way to set it up, and then it helps you a lot of saving time and actually getting Dropbox synchronized, or get the photos from your device and videos from your device synchronized with Dropbox immediately. So let's get back.
So that was a little shaky, I know. Actually, one thing is to get the Dropbox onto your mobile phone, a mobile device. The other thing is, actually, that's what I just showed you. But the other thing, to install it on your computer or your MacBook, it's much easier if you go to youtube.com and actually search for how to install Dropbox on your PC or Mac. Because there's a load of tutorials out there. So I actually didn't want to bother you doing that. So I actually focused on just doing it on the Android phone. If you are one of the lucky ones with an iPhone, OS whatever version, hey, you better check that out, how to do it on an iPhone, because I use Android despite the fact that I don't have an iPhone. So, Ronnie signing out here, so see you on the internet.